Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Horton C7155 circuit breaker lace assembly for 7000 series application. Let's remove it from its packaging here and just take a look at it. Okay. Obviously the circuit breaker end here. The connector. Probably about 4 feet of lead. Yeah, I'd say an overall length would be about 4 foot length. Let's take a little closer visual on the unit itself. Not too much to see here really on the box, but there are images listed down below that we'll show you in just a moment. Okay, yeah, you can't really see anything there. Let's switch now to the screen view and let's take a closer look at the supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here's the item that we are looking at, and here are those images. Your packaging. Okay, the box, the button. Let's take a closer look at both sides of the box. One side and the opposite side, just to show you what it all looks like. Now, there is a link below this video here to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Horton products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to several encyclopedic documents. Owner's manuals, parts breakdown, instructions, things of that nature. If it's Horton related and it's a technical document, this is the page where we would keep it. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, if you have any questions on the Horton, this is their part number C7155 circuit breaker or any other Horton product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.